First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, yesterday's snow shower activity quickly faded away, and then in between it was, a little bit of winter scene, and then the sun would come out, and then another round of snow showers would come through, then the sun would come back out. It was that kind of a day. We did manage to make it into the low 40s today. We're going to get much warmer with lots of sunshine. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. Even though it's very cold right now, 19 degrees. Now, that's not a record. The record is 14 for Bowling Green, and that was set all the way back in 1955. But this is way too close, especially for the end of March. But this may be the last of this that we see for a while. I want to make sure that we don't, we leave ourselves a little opening here, because we know as we go through April, there are going to be those times when it does get cooler, but maybe not quite this cold. So hopefully this will be the last of winter that we see. Here's a look at the temperature decline over the last several hours, the 12-hour run here. 7 o'clock last evening, we were at 36 degrees. Since then, as the skies begin to clear, that's when we saw the temperatures really start to take a nosedive into the 20s to the 23-degree reading we're seeing at 6 o'clock this morning. But we do have some temperatures even colder than that. 17 at the Litchfield, Grayson County Mesonet site. Hardinsburg at 17. There's a 16-degree reading over in Campbellsville this morning and down in Burkesville. 17 in Scottsville, 18 in Russellville, 17 at the Mesonet site there in Todd County near Elkton. Live from our weather cam looking down Scottsville Road this morning. You can already tell it's going to be a nice day. You can see a little bit of blue, some early daylight beginning to show through. 22 degrees currently. Good news is the winds have relaxed here, so we have a nearly calm wind, so you don't have to worry about a wind chill factor this morning. Air quality today, boy, we still have some problems here. Moderate counts in the tree pollens that are affecting us with the sinusitis and the some of you bronchitis with all the trees in bloom here. Juniper, maple, and pine all are the ones that are the culprits here. UV index will be running moderate today. 45 for Columbia and Russell Springs in the Jamestown area around Lake Cumberland today. That is your predicted high temperature with all that sunshine. 46 for Burkesville, 47 for Albany. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot now estimated to be at $40 million for tonight's drawing, and the next Mega Millions estimated to be at $15 million. Here's a live view from our HD weather cam in Greenville. 21 degrees there in Muhlenberg County this morning. You're starting out just fine. You had a light dusting of snow there, even in Muhlenberg County yesterday. So did Litchfield, but it was mainly on some of the rooftops and car tops. The streets were just wet. Litchfield, you're at 17 degrees with a clear start this morning. Russellville starting out at 18 with a clear sky there in Logan County from our AAA Systems Weather Cam network. You can see those convective type snow showers that moved through the area yesterday afternoon. We replayed the animation here, just kind of popcorn type, more indicative of the spring and summer, but there was just enough cold air to make it so you saw snow instead of rain yesterday. 23, the current temperature reading at the Bowling Green Airport. 33 as you travel down I-40 toward Memphis, a sure sign that there is warmer air on the way. Since high pressure was right on top of us this morning and the clear sky allowed the temperatures to get as cold as they are. But this high pressure center is going to move southeast. A warm front will lift through the area over the next 12 hours. With that will come an increase in clouds as we get into late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Then by tomorrow afternoon, there could be a few scattered showers in the area. The chance of that not real high. It's later as we get into Thursday night and into Friday when we'll see scattered showers, thunderstorms, in a very slow-moving area of low pressure and a fairly potent, strong cold front that will set off showers and thunderstorms. Yes, it will get warmer, but there is also the possibility we could see a few stronger thunderstorms once we get into Friday afternoon and evening. Mostly sunny, not as cold today. 47 down to 32 with increasing clouds tonight. Tomorrow we'll make it up to 60 for a high with a shower chance mainly in the afternoon, that 80% that you see there coming tomorrow night into early Friday. And then Friday all the way to 70. And that's when we could see some stronger showers and thunderstorms by afternoon and evening. Those will come to an end With the passage of a cold front early Saturday morning, a cooler 59. The weekend looks pretty good, though. 63 Sunday, 73 Monday, back to 63 for April Fool's Day on Tuesday.